The cover,
死不了。
the cover, the bottom cap, just for the injection in the injection port, it's difficult to look. It's difficult to look. In the outside, I can see here is a big part, and also have the gasket. You know, you can see also have the gasket, but inside we only have this very small hole in the middle.
他脚一哭的时候，
So after the teardown, we will cut to look
对，
clearly for their structure. Okay. The bottom copper is 8.6 gram. We just up the current collector desk, and we can take the tap in the bottom. Okay, we can see this here is have 3 lasers waiting line for each of the part. 1, 2, 3. Each part have the 3 laser waiting line. Okay. So the connection will be very the area will be very big, very huge, right? So to protect the current can pass a short way, then the enough area to connection. So let me up desk clearly. It's very tough to up. So this means this laser welding is very solid, very tough. Very tough. Okay. The quality is good. Oh. See. Okay, this is a collector. We can show the laser winding line. The area is big.
下一个，不要看着这，
Okay. So it's very big, right? And the weight is very light. Very light. So let's measure the weight. Okay. 1.8 gram. That means to measure the thickness. Okay. Zero 0.15, and very light. Okay. So I just want to measure the thickness of the can. I think it's good. Let me check. Zero. 0.5. The cell is just changed. I can't to correct to measures. I think. I will tear down the can. Go to the positive one. Positive part. The cell has electrolyte, but very less. I saw the electrolyte. Okay.
Let's talk about negative tab welding in these 2 battery designs. First up, Tesla's 4680 Gen 1.5. Here, the negative tab is welded directly to the bottom cap. This prevents the outermost tabs from sticking up. They use 2 types of welding. Radial welding. This pulls more current from the coil. Axial welding. This increases the cross-section of the tab. That means more current can flow through. Now, let's look at BMW cells. This battery uses an all-pole tab design. All the tabs are welded to a current collecting disc. The result? A very short path for the current and a very large cross-sectional area. This lowers the internal resistance, so it supports ultra-fast charging and high-power output. Next, let's look at the top cap and cathode terminal for the Tesla. They use ultrasonic torque welding here. Very precise processing, probably related to quality control or laser markings. The Tesla Gen 1.5 cathode outer pole diameter is 15.2 millimeters, while BMW is 16.5 millimeters. The shell sidewall is 0.35 millimeters thick. The bottom is thicker, 0.62 millimeters. Total height is 3.04 millimeters, and the inner pole diameter is 11.03 millimeters. Also, the cathode disc and pole are welded together. They use torque welding. The welding diameter is 3 millimeters.
Okay, we also tear down to the fossil part.